Hello, what's up, my guys, my niggas? How are you guys doing? So, I want to show you guys how I took this trade on BTC. Let's use this chart so it will be easy for us. First of all, good morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening. So, before I do my analysis on any pair, before I make my analysis on any pair, remember we are still on bullish move. We are still on bullish move on BTC. Remember, we are still on bullish move on BTC. Though we break out from range on monthly, you saw how we're able to break out from this range. If you did not see it, then for me, I saw it very well. This is the range, so of which we're proceeding like to just pull out from that range. So on a weekly, we have already broke out from the range, and on daily as well, we broke out from the range. 4 hours, we broke out from the range. So, and you can see this indecision candlestick here, of which this is what we call shooting star. It is shooting to the upside. So this typically show you that is a trend reversal. So right now, how do you really want to follow these things? How do you really want to follow these things? Number one, if you're making an analysis, make sure that from monthly time frame down to your 4 hours are corresponding together. Always make sure that they are corresponding together. If they are not corresponding together, just leave the pair and search for any other pair that can give you a clear direction. That will do what? That will give you a clear direction on what to trade. So, and right now you can see that we have an indecision candlestick on our weekly time frame. So that indecision candlestick is trying to do what? Trying to tell you that we have broken out from this range and we are having a little rest in the market to proceed to the upside. That's what it's trying to show us right now. So events might come up to bring the price low. Anything can happen. We don't know yet. But as soon as I understand, if we have a breakout from a trading range, this candlestick that breaks to the upside is what we call what? You can call it last point support broken. Resistance broken. So this candlestick was a pullback, like it was just a rest, or let me just say a reversal. So as soon as it reverses, then it goes and push more higher. So right now, what are we currently seeing? First of all, we broke out from the range, and second, we had a pullback, which might be a reversal or a short-term reversal. Then we have a price proceeding to the upside. So this is the starting of the week, and today that I'm making this screen record, today is 7th of November 2022. So right now, this is what our price is currently doing. We are currently bearish. Of which we might not be bearish for the rest of the week. That's not what I mean. But currently we are bearish. So you do what? You follow the trend harmoniously. When I say harmoniously, it simply means you follow the trend according to the way you see it, right? So in our daily, this was where we broke the range on our daily. So as soon as we broke the range, we came back forward for a retest around here. So, and guys, as you can see, though price might not trade into this place yet, Let me show you what I'm saying. You see, we have a bullish order block sitting here. Price is not likely to trade into this range if we are on a bullish trend. It is not likely to trade into this range yet. Understand it. Why? Because two things can happen. Okay, it's either we come to this place and tap and continue our bullish trend, or we continue our bullish trend to remove this liquidity sitting here, because this is a buy side liquidity. As soon as we remove it, we come back for a pullback. Then when price is going to test here, when it is likely to test here, is maybe when we have a reversal that is very, very big. So, and as you can see, our volume is getting low. That's to tell you that we're on a bearish scenario right now. That's what you see. So for this bearishness, what I see is this, guys. Like, I'm openly saying this. So, and I don't know if you guys are really seeing what I'm saying. We have a fair value gap here, and you can see some people will be like, why did this price stop here? Why did not continue to remove this buy side liquidity up here? Why? Because we have a fair value gap that the price has been trading in. This is a fair value gap. Let me use my horizontal drawing tool. You see, sorry. Oh, why is this thing doing like this? I don't know. Okay, so this is a fair value gap. From here to here is a fair value gap that was traded in, and we tapped here, and we're inside that place. So, but at times there are some places that there are some experiences that you meet in the market that it will just tap the fair value gap and continue the bearish trend or bullish trend. So, but this is to show you that we are on a bull trend, and he has to respect this fair value gap for some time. So we came here, we created a fair value gap as well. Then we are tapping into this fair value gap, and don't forget, this is our monthly, our daily chart that I'm showing you right now. So right now we have to be on the same side with whatsoever trend we have from the weekly to the daily. So of which currently we are on a bearish trend, like currently. But don't forget, our overall trend is bearish already. But on our monthly, we saw a reversal on our monthly time frame, right? So what do you think is gonna happen here right now? Fine, because we have a fair value gap. Each time a price trades in a fair value gap, it goes down to do what? To tap into that fair value gap and continue what? Continue into an up direction. Of which you see, we are tapping into that up direction, and we are already having rejection to the downside. Like we're already having rejection already. So when you go to your 4 hours, the 4 hours will not show it clear. Okay, we're already having rejection in our 4 hours already. So you see that rejection right now, right? So this is the rejection we are having right now, because what? Because we are on a what? On a fair value gap. So daily will show you that we are approaching into that area. But what the daily is showing me, I'm not really okay with it. Like, I want daily to leave us with a very weak candlestick like this, not bypassing that place. At least a very weak and long weak candlestick like this. Then after that, the next candlestick will do what? Will just accelerate with a very big force, because each time a price tests a fair value gap, the next thing you expect is a momentum in volume. Like, it will just spike, boom. So the same thing you see happening here. After the price traded into this fair value gap, we had this great volume that spiked the momentum to the upside, you see. So the same thing I'm still expecting to see what on BTC. So we are still going to trade more down and test here very well. So tomorrow we might experience bullishness in the market. Tomorrow being 8th of November. So right now, the way I used to do my thing is I label my stuff so that I will know what is really happening in the market. Like right now, let me put it in the middle so that you guys will see it. Let me put it in the center. So this is a break of structure and a break out from what? From a range. Now let me teach you what I learned from Wyckoff rules and regulations and laws. I'm sorry I was not able to complete this video for some certain reasons, so just stay tuned. I'm sorry I was not able to complete this video for some certain reasons, so just stay tuned.